Alright guys, welcome to part, I think, 5 of this video. And this, as you can see here, is the battery that goes inside the Ricoh Theta. And it is the Ricoh Theta X that we're talking about here. There are many versions of the Ricoh Theta, but this, in my opinion, is the best version because I'm not a big fan of editing. You guys know it's the channel is all about live streaming and just showing you raw footage of things. Occasionally, I'll just put sparkles, hearts, and stuff like that for the fun of it because, you know, you want to invite more of the lady friends to join YouTube. Nobody on the lady friend side likes YouTube, but it'd be nice to bring more ladies to YouTube because it's mostly a bunch of dudes. Anyhow, I like to put sparkles and stuff. It just colors stuff, and you know, it makes things happier and fancier, if you will. But aside from that, everything.
Likey.